Look at my screen right now. What you are seeing is fresh, live Adsterra earning in payment proof, completely updated and verified. This is the exact daily performance of the Adsterra loading method, a rock-solid system that comes with a full 100% earning guarantee starting from day one, bringing in a minimum of $100 every single day on complete autopilot. Let's clear up any doubts about technical requirements right away. You do not need an expensive, high-specification computer to run this system. My custom bot is lightweight and engineered to run smoothly on any basic, ordinary device you already own. Furthermore, you can completely ignore the hassle and expense of building a website, purchasing domains, or paying recurring hosting fees. This method operates entirely through your Adsterra direct link, keeping things fast and simple. There are zero hidden costs, no recurring monthly charges, and absolutely no additional investment required down the road. The total price for lifetime access to this complete method and bot is a simple, one-time payment of $250. To keep transactions seamless and secure worldwide, I accept payments through Binance, USDT, and Payout. I know the internet is flooded with fake screenshots and edited videos, and you have every right to be cautious. That is why I back my system with complete, open transparency. If you have any doubt that this video is real, message me right now. I will gladly hop on a live AnyDesk session with you, log into my real Adsterra account, and refresh the dashboard live right in front of your eyes. My name is Adam and Froy. Stop letting hesitation stand between you and daily profits. Send me a message right now, claim your copy of the bot, and let's get your guaranteed daily income started today.